हेलो, हाय, गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। सब लोग सो रहे, जाग रहे? जाग रहे? काम चालू है? कैसा था लास्ट वीक? कैसा था?
जबरदस्त।
मजा आया कि नहीं? क्या किया था हमने?
गुड
गुड डीड किया था, सभी ने किया था। किस किसने नहीं किया? कोई है ऐसा? ऑनलाइन जो भी है, आई गेस सबने किया था, सबने थोड़ा बहुत ही सही अपना टाइम, एफर्ट सब कंट्रीब्यूट किया है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट मैटर्स। कि अपना टाइम तुम कंट्रीब्यूट जो कर रहे हो ये सब काम करने में, इज व्हाट मैटर्स टू देम, उनके लिए तुम कर रहे हो। आई होप सबको मजा आया। यस, हर दिन हर रोज कुछ ना कुछ नया देखने मिल रहा था, नया सीखने मिल रहा था। काफी नए लोग हैं, तो आई होप उनके लिए फर्स्ट टाइम था ये। काफी नए रिक्रूट्स आए ये साल में, तो उनके लिए फर्स्ट ईयर था जब उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस किया कि गुड डीड भी हम मनाते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए कर रहे हैं, हम मना रहे हैं, राइट? मन से कर रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि बस बोला है तो करना है। मन से कर रहे सब लोग, किया कि नहीं मन से? पाप लगेगा वरना। ठीक है, चलो, आई होप सबको मजा आया। सो टुडे इज द क्लोजिंग सेरेमनी। आज हम एंड कर रहे हैं हमारा गुड डीड वीक, जो हमने स्टार्ट किया था लास्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ जुलाई बीइंग द सीए डे हमने स्टार्ट किया था। आज हम उसे एंड कर रहे हैं, फिर मिलेंगे अगले साल। बट तब तक के लिए हम एंड करते हैं एक शॉर्ट समरी से कि हमने क्या किया, कैसे मजे किए हमने गुड डीड करने में। मजा आया ना गुड डीड करते वक्त? अच्छा लग रहा था उनके चेहरे देख के, उनके फीलिंग्स को देख के। जब तुम कुछ डोनेट कर रहे थे उनको कैसा लग रहा था वो देख के हमें कितना अच्छा लग रहा था। आया कि नहीं मजा? तो अपने फीलिंग्स, अपने शेयरिंग्स थोड़ा मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम लोग आके यहाँ पे बताओ, एंड विद दैट विल सी कि हमारा कैसा था जर्नी ये पूरे वीक का। ठीक है? पहला दिन कौन सा था? पहला ओपनिंग था, फर्स्ट डे वाज ओपनिंग। उसके बाद सेकंड डे, फर्स्ट वाज स्माइली डे, सेकंड वाज ब्लड डोनेशन। काफी हलचल थी यहाँ पे, खून ही खून, मतलब बॉटल्स में, बट सब मजे कर रहे थे, सब ब्लड डोनेट कर रहे थे। ना सब नहीं कर रहे थे बट कर रहे थे। थर्ड डे क्या था? हाँ, वो ग्रेटिट्यूड बोलो, एटीट्यूड में रुक जा रहे हो। एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड डे। अपने कलीग्स, अपने पीयर्स, अपने फैमिलीज, अपने पार्टनर्स, अपने फ्रेंड्स को तुमने ग्रेटिट्यूड, अपने ग्रेटिट्यूड थे तुम्हारे फीलिंग्स के लिए, तुमने उनको थैंक यू किया। यस, काफी लोग के लिए सरप्राइज था, अरे यार ये थैंक यू किधर से आ रहा है, कुछ काम है लगता है पक्का। आज मेरे से लगता है कुछ तो पैसा लेने वाला है, ये थैंक यू पहले बोल दे रहा है। ऐसा नहीं था, अपने फीलिंग्स के लिए तुमने बिना कुछ मांगे, बिना कुछ दिए तुमने थैंक यू बोला। अच्छा लगा। तो ये 3 दिन कैसा था उसको जरा ब्रीफ कर रहे हैं या फिर अपने फीलिंग्स जरा बताने आ रहे हैं गौरव। आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग कॉल गौरव टू शेयर हिज फीलिंग्स। अराउंड ऑफ applause.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon. First of all, a big thank you and a big congratulations for everyone to participate in this event. So I'm here to like sum up the first 3 days of a good deed week. So starting with the first day, the smiley day. Actually, it was a great initiative since because we have a lot of pressure, tension, and in that we have somehow forgot to smile. And on that particular day, we got to know about some creative minds because everyone had decorated their desk. Then some made this smiley window and all that stuff. And on our WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp group was also flooded with the smileys and all the selfies with so that and those smiles were enough to brighten our day. Second day was the blood donation day. It was another successful event as we had over 60 donors, and it was from our office as well as from outsiders. And this event was also very well managed by the GST team and Vishal sir. And thank you GST team and Vishal sir for very well organizing this event. And talking about the third day, it was the event organized by seminar basically conducted by Samir sir. It was attitude of gratitude. One key takeaway from this session was we should actually be thankful for what we have and what we have got rather than complaining what we don't have. Like I realized the same on that other day when we went to Premda. Also, like वहाँ पे पता चला कि we are too much privileged like for what we have gotten, and we should thank our parents and God for the same. And another activity in the same was like we have to thank our parents. So like for that I called my mama. I said thank you. She said जरूर इसने गाड़ी ठोकी रहेगी या फिर पैसे चाहिए तो बता दे सीधा से सामने से बता दे. But I said no, it was actual activity, and she also felt nice and welcoming for it. And afterwards, to be honest, it was a great initiative because emotions were attached to this initiatives also. Because while saying thank you, some were shy to say thank you to the parents. Some were happy, some had watery eyes, and to be honest, in the past 3 years, this was the best good deed week like I have experienced. And like for the next year, wherever I will be eager and waiting for this event, and I will definitely participate in it. Thank you, and I will hand over the mic to Abhishek.
First of all, thank you, Gaurav. Happy afternoon, ATMS. As we know, Gaurav had mentioned about some of the good deeds that we did in our first 3 days. As we all know that good deed is the thing that we know that we never do on a daily basis. But our firm ATMS had took a great initiative to perform the good deeds, where we perform various of the activities such as blood donation, performing the tree plantation, NGO visit, and then instead of that, as the Gaurav mentioned about the first 3 weeks of the Good Day week, where we were spreading the happiness by performing the various good activities. So in continuance to that, on the 4th day, we were having a reconnecting session from the Shefali Madam, where we reconnected to our friends and family members. In that, Shefali Madam conducted a great activity of writing the letters. While writing the letters, we were forgot that we are having some work, we are having some stress. We were just remembering our friends, our colleagues, our family members, who we missed a lot. So that session was an amazing session by the Shefali Ma'am, where we also tried to connect ourselves from our memories that we had lost. So I would thank Shefali Ma'am for conducting such a beautiful session. After this session, I just wrote a beautiful poem, beautiful lines for my friends. I would just like to read it out. साथ रहते यूं ही वक्त गुजर जाएगा, साथ रहते यूं ही वक्त गुजर जाएगा, दूर होने के बाद कौन किसे याद आएगा. जी लो ये पल, जी लो ये पल जब तक हो साथ दोस्तों, जी लो ये पल जब तक हो साथ दोस्तों, वक्त का क्या पता कब किसे कहां ले जाएगा. So moving onwards, on the day 5th, we had an NGO visit. NGO visit where we had visit to various different old age homes, orphanages and schools, where there were many of the underprivileged childs, where we distributed the basic supplies such as groceries, foods, chocolates to the students and the oldest citizens, which were like some of were their widows, some were the old age people whose like children left them. So we went there and spread the happiness among them. As we all know, everything gives us a learning. So the small learning that I got from this NGO visit was their problems are much bigger than us. As we all know, they were having no family members, no relative, nothing. But still they were having a beautiful smile on their face. But we being having everything, still we forgot to smile and take the stress of small things like yaar data nahi aaya hai, everything like that. So I would just request everyone to have a good smile on your face and maintain this smile forever your life. Moving to the day 6, there was a tree plantation session. First of all, I would like to thank you, Vishnu sir, for performing the beautiful tree plantation session, where we all went to the Yehud Hill, which is situated in Thane, where we planted more than 20 of the trees. I just like the enthusiasm of all of my friends, because there was a heavy rainfall. Still, everyone was there, and we were just having a small trek till that point where we planted the trees. I had one question relating to the tree plantation. Why we do tree plantation? Can just anyone answer? Yes, exactly right, sir. As we all know, leading to the high global warming situations in the entire world, humans are facing many of the problems. So to save our future from this, we had concept of the tree plantation, where we decided to plant a tree and save millions of lives. Yes, exactly, sir. So moving onwards, we had a day 7, a Sunday. I know few of were like Sunday hai bhai chill karenge. But still our firm organized a beautiful day called Roti Daan. From the ancient time, there is a famous slok called Sarvasheshta Danam Anna Danam. So following this and keeping in this mind, we initiated a program to provide the meals to those who were struggling from the proper meal for a one time. From this, we went to the Kalyan, where there was a beautiful spot where the people were just struggling to have a one-time meal in the entire day. Like they were struggling to have the one-time meal. They were not able to get the meal for a one time properly. So to have this, we just distributed the food among them. A small learning from this also I got that for us the happiness is having clothes, watch, mobile phones, cars, etc. But for them the real happiness is food that we distributed. Seeing their faces filled with joy, we just forgot about all the problems, stress, anxiety, depression. So seeing their faces, it is like a small learning again that we can learn from that. Though we are having too much of stress, workload, still we can have the proper food, proper things. We are having everything in our life. Still we say that yaar, aaj aisa ho gaya. Like just looking on the negative sides and facing the problems like that, rather than seeing that we are having other things that people are facing lacking of that. In India, it is as per the census in India, 30% of the population still just struggle to have the one-time proper meal. This is the census statistics given by the Indian organizations. So for this, I will thank Vishal sir and the team. Ending from here, we are having some. Okay.
Abhishek ji जोरदार आया, गौरव जी जोरदार आया. Thank you so much. I hope सबने relate किया, जो भी वो हर एक दिन को अच्छे से explain कर रहे थे. Each and every day was a beautiful day to us, and सबको हर दिन पे ये लग रहा है यार मजा आया कि नहीं? सब फील कर रहे थे कि नहीं? मजा आया each and every day. So a very big thank you to all of you and everyone एक दूसरे को thank you बोलो, सब लोग एक दूसरे के लिए thank you. तो अगर आप लोग ये इनिशिएटिव नहीं लेते तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाता. हम ये चीज फोर्सफुली नहीं करा सकते. इट वाजंट समथिंग को फोर्सफुली किया जा सकता है. अगर तुम्हारे मन में है, तुम्हारे अंदर फीलिंग्स है, तुम चाहते हो ये करना तो तुम करोगे. उसके लिए कोई डे भी नहीं चाहिए तुम्हें, राइट? जैसा कहा कि नॉट बीइंग हियर बट आउटसाइड देयर, तुम्हें गुड डीड करते रहना है, ठीक है? सो आई एम थैंकफुल टू ATMS, the partners, the managers, the team members, each and every person. Thank you so much. And to thank the one who are organizing this, I would like to call upon Urvashi to give a small thanks away. Yeah. Over to you.
Hello. So thank you Gaurav, Abhishek, and to the whole ATMS team who really contributed within the last 7 days. Actually, to take an initiative is the biggest thing. And from last 7 years, as Shefali madam mentioned, that they are taking so much initiative. What happens is, life is going through has a regular routines. But the people inside they think to take some initiative towards the people. But Shefali madam didn't forcefully, but by gratituding, yeah, we can say कि उन लोग ने efforts लिए, just simply बोल के, and we all took very well. And I really want to thank. I would like to extend a serious gratitude to the partners, team members who contributed, and especially to the HR team. They were every day contributing. So I really Swapnali ma'am, everyone, Bhavita madam, they are taking so much initiative. Even though it was distributed, कि हाँ first day ये लोग करेंगे, DT team will be DT team, IDT team, but the daily practice was taken by the HR team every day. The special thanks to from the blood donation camp, I would start that. Special thanks to Vishal sir and his whole team, because to organize something that is blood donation and tree plantation that was organized by Vishnu sir, I really want to thank to them. So I really present Vishal sir and his team.
Can we have the blood donation teams?
Blood donation teams over here. GST team.
Organizing team. All of you come. quickly. Now, Nisha. The senior most in the team, है ना? आ जाओ सब, come closer. Anybody for a picture? आ जाओ, इस side आ जाओ.
इकडे या. काजल.
Quickly.
तालियां गाइस.
Oh, thank you.
So further moving, then Vishnu sir's team, tree plantation was been organized by them. Sir, Vikas sir. Sir, Vikas sir.
Vishnu and Deepak both have contributed and organized the tree plantation. Ronak and Himanshu.
was
हाँ,
So moving further, first day was the smiley day, and I would really mention that सबने बहुत efforts लिए to making them smile. So this first prize goes to Yogita from GST team. Further, for smiley day, Aman and his team. Team.
चलो quickly guys.
ले ले ले.
We have a lot more things to do. Sahil.
थोड़ा नजदीक आ जाओ.
I would like to call Sakshi. She wrote a very beautiful poem. So,
Thank you, Sakshi, for the beautiful.
and further I will call Shifali ma'am and Samir sir.
Samir is not there. I'm both today. For
For organizing all the things, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
So thank you so much. And one thing I would like to mention, this was my first time the Good Deed Week, and I've never ever seen taking so much initiative by anyone over here. Sorry, that any over. मैं जहाँ पर भी जाती हूँ ऐसा कभी किसी ने इतना इनिशिएटिव्स नहीं लिया है. But I really thank you, ma'am. So you are doing the best thing. And I really want that कि people आगे जाके ये सब करें. Not ये पूरे साल में it's not just a week, but carry forward this to the whole year too. आगे भी आप करें सब. Thank you.
थैंक यू उर्वशी. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन जिन्होंने कंट्रीब्यूट किया ईच एंड एवरी डे को. हर दिन में कोई ना कोई इन्वॉल्व था कुछ इनिशिएटिव करने के लिए, वेदर इट बी द डायरेक्ट टैक्स टीम, द जीएसटी टीम, ईच एंड एवरी टीम सब चीज के लिए एक एक दिन पे इन्वॉल्व थी. बट वो एक दिन था जिस दिन सब इन्वॉल्व थे. एनजीओ विजिट सबने किया. यस, सबको अच्छा लगा. एनजीओ बहुत बार ऐसा लगता है कि यार एनजीओ में बड़े लोग रहते हैं जो पैसा डोनेट करते हैं वो सब करते हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. छोटे से छोटा कंट्रीब्यूशन भी मैटर करता है. तुमने खुद ने देखा एक छोटा चॉकलेट भी जो तुम बच्चों को दे रहे हो वो भी मैटर करता है. एक छोटा बिस्किट भी जो तुम ओल्ड एज होम में जाके दे रहे हो वो भी मैटर करता है. उनसे बैठ के दो बातें जो तुम कर रहे हो वो भी मैटर करता है. यस और नो? ये फीलिंग्स तुम्हें रियलाइज हुई कि वो जो टाइम दे रहे हो तो तुम उन्हें जो अपना टाइम दे रहे हो, अपने फीलिंग एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो और जो तुम कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हो वो मैटर करता है, बहुत मैटर करता है। वो 1 मिनट, वो 1 दिन जो तुम दे रहे हो उनको, वो बहुत मैटर करता है। तो एनजीओ विजिट वाज अ स्पेशल डे क्योंकि उसमें सारे लोग इन्वॉल्व थे। अपने जो भी एनजीओ में विजिट कर रहे थे, जो भी लेवल पे, स्कूल किट्स डोनेट किया, यूनिफॉर्म्स डोनेट किए, टॉयलेट्स डोनेट किए, ग्रोसरीज डोनेट किए, जो बन सका वो हमने किया। यस और नो? एंड इट वाज समथिंग जो तुम्हारे मन से गया है। तो एनजीओ विजिट का एक छोटा ग्लिम्स देखते हैं कि कैसे सबने एंजॉय किया। यस, योर हैप्पी फेसेस। अच्छा, मैडम के लिए बड़ा गिफ्ट, गाइस तालियां। बनता है।
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू मैम। कैन यू जस्ट कनेक्ट ग्रुप पे भी डाल दे। हाँ, द वन हु आर व्यूइंग ऑनलाइन, यू कैन जस्ट आई होप सब देख पा रहे हो। यस, एंजॉय विजिट। सारी टीम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, विवेक बैठे वहां पे नीचे, सब मजे कर रहे थे। मिड लाइट जी और मैं देख पा रहा हूँ शेफाली मैम, सभी सर, पिंकी मैम, सुयोग सर, सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे। विष्णु सर, टीम, सारे बच्चे बैठे हैं विवेक के साथ। राजेश सर एकदम सेल्फी लेते हुए, पूरी टीम, हमारी टीम सिग्नल चढ़ा है यहाँ पे। यहाँ पे अमय सर का टीम। ये ग्लिम्स था, बहुत सारे फोटोज थे, बहुत सारे थे स्लाइड्स। आई होप सबको मजा आता है एनजीओ में। अपने एनजीओ के एक सेकंड, एनजीओ के कुछ इनसाइट्स शेयर करने में चाहता हूँ। कुछ लोग यहाँ पे आए एंड अपने इनसाइट शेयर करें। सानिका, क्या over to you.
Thank you, Aman. So, this was actually my first time in ATMS participating in the Good Deed Week. I've been here for some months only. And I would love to share my experience. So, we went to an orphanage for small girls. Somewhere the girls were between 6 to 17 years of age. Although it was not very I would say we kind of missed some girls over there. We just couldn't meet some of the girls. Some were in school, not the correct timing to be there, I guess. But what we saw is it was a very humbling experience. What we saw was, no matter where you are in life, you just have to put a smile on your face. They were very happy to see us, although there were just a couple of kids over there, but they were very happy to see us. There was just a girl who was a 6-year-old. We also found out that they can only stay there till they're 17. So after they turn 18, they turn into a major, they move out, go to some other place. So that was something that you learn every day, how these people live their lives. And what we did was we donated some groceries. So we contacted them, found out their requirement, and we donated some groceries, sanitary napkins, toiletries, whatever their need is. And especially would like to thank Shefali ma'am for taking this initiative. And otherwise, I don't think the last time I went to such a place to kind of, even if it's for an hour, to get to know these people, to understand how it works, and really puts things in perspective. So thank you, and thank you ATMS for organizing this. I'm really glad I got this opportunity.
Thank you, Sanika. I would like to call upon Vishnu to give his insights on the NGO day. Over to you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू विष्णु सर, क्योंकि जब भी मैं ट्री प्लांटेशन के वगैरह सब अपने ऑर्गेनाइज किया था तो उधर के साथ सब लोग ने मजा दिया था। हाँ, और 20 से ज़्यादा ट्रीज लगाया था और 40। हाँ, तो उस टाइम पे बहुत मज़ा किया। और ये सब सभी के साथ बारिश वगैरह था तो हम सब लोग ऐसा बिकते बिकते कुछ रेकॉर्ड में कुछ ऐसे बिकते बिकते जा रहे थे, बीच बीच में वड़ा पाव भी गिर रहे थे। फिर हम थैली में भरे, ऐसे सब बहुत याद हो। तो सब अच्छा लगा मतलब ये सब करके, और जपाली मैडम ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया तो बहुत अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Vishnu. Next, I would call upon Ria to give her views on the NGO. They visited the whole DTT. Good.
Hello everyone. We as a DT team visited Premdhan in Airoli. Premdhan is a place where they serve to individuals who are mentally and physically challenged. But after seeing them, I feel that they were the happiest person in the world I have ever seen. They are not even taking any kind of tensions or not complaining anywhere. Also, what I have observed there, they are not much materialistic. That when we are donating some chocolates or biscuits, they are not interested in that. They are interested in telling the stories of the day and their life. And also, I would like to thank ATMS and all partners who have arranged such a unique thing which I have ever seen. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria. I would like to call upon Ved Prakash to give his insights as well, the manager. Good.
थैंक यू अमन। ऑन 4th जुलाई हमने स्नैक्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था ट्रैफिक हवलदार, पुलिस ऑफिसर एंड बस ड्राइवर, कंडक्टर्स को, क्योंकि हम रियल लाइफ में भूल जाते हैं इनकी भी हमारी लाइफ में अहमियत है। इनकी वजह से ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल होते हैं, एक्सीडेंट्स बहुत कम होते हैं। दैट्स इट। एंड ये प्लान अमर सर का था। थैंक यू अमर सर, दीपक सर।
मॉर्निंग में पहले यू असेंबल्ड ऑल द बॉक्सेस।
हाँ, हमने बॉक्सेस में गुलाब जामुन, समोसा एंड ढोकला, फ्रूटी पैक करके, हम मेरे साथ हर्षित था एंड वरुण एंड हर्षिल, हम 4 लोग ने पैकिंग किया मॉर्निंग में। हर्षित के घर पे मिले, हम हर्षित के घर पे मिलके सब पैक किया है। फिर हमने 3 लोकेशन पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया, माझीवाड़ा, तीन नाका एंड थाने स्टेशन। तो हम लोकेशन वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए थे।
Thank you, Ved, for your insight. I hope सबके लिए ये काफी नया एक्सपीरियंस था। एंड बहुत जन बोल रहे का फर्स्ट टाइम था, फर्स्ट टाइम हम देख रहे हैं किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। मेरा 4th टाइम था बाय द वे, तो मुझे उम्र हो गई यहाँ पे। तो इट्स ऑलवेज बीन अ न्यू थिंग। ऐसा नहीं है लास्ट ईयर भी कर रहे हैं, इस साल भी कर रहे हैं, वही चीज, ऐसा नहीं है। इट्स ऑलवेज न्यू, इट्स ऑलवेज न्यू। दी चीज वही है, ब्लड डोनेशन तभी भी किया था, अभी भी किया था, तभी भी एनजीओ विजिट किया था, अभी भी किया था, बट द फीलिंग इज न्यू, द पीपल आर न्यू, द फीलिंग दैट यू फील फॉर, जिनके लिए आप फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हो, वो भी नया था। तो हर साल वो नया फीलिंग रहता है। ऑल्सो आई वुड से कि ये सिर्फ एनजीओ डे नहीं, ब्लड डोनेशन डे नहीं, ना कि सिर्फ ट्री प्लांटेशन, हर एक दिन स्पेशल बनाया आप लोगों ने। आई वुड ऑल्सो लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन फ्यू पीपल जो अपना पूरा इंसाइट्स कि कैसा था ये वीक वो शेयर करें। आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल अपॉन योगिता टू शेयर हर इंसाइट्स ऑन दी होल वीक, हाउ वाज द गुड डे, हाउ शी फेल्ट अबाउट इट।
बहुत ही अच्छा वीक था, मतलब मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम था इसमें, बहुत ही अच्छा इंटरेस्टिंग था। थैंक यू शिफल मैम, आपने एक्सपीरियंस करने के लिए।
Thank you, Yogita. Next, I would like to call upon Harshit to share his experience as well. कि उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था ये वाले गुड डीड वीक के बारे में। Over to you. अच्छा। हर्षित को लास्ट में आना है. So we'll call upon Vivek to share his insights. Over to you.
Hello everyone, myself Vivek Prasad. So I'll start with मतलब कल अमन and our team were discussing about some personal finance. लाइफ में अचीव क्या करना है यार? Ultimately we are working for some goals, right? तो किसी को गाड़ी लेना होगा, someone might be interested in buying luxury cars, luxury vacations चाहिए होगा किसी को. But the point to be noted is कि किसी महान पुरुष ने कहा है कि you cannot grow and prosper in life unless your society grows as well. So in order to grow yourself, you have to make sure कि your society also grows. तो ये पर्सपेक्टिव हमारे ATMS ने दिया है. So thank you ATMS for giving us that perspective कि society must also grow with us. So point number one कि we have to make ensure कि we have to contribute enough कि society भी grow and for personal growth as well. And to just elaborate throughout the 7 days कि हमने क्या क्या किया, तो first I will start with कि we went to some signal shalas, some क्या एक ही था signal shala, where we met the young ones. बहुत सी छोटे थे, they are from underprivileged class. So we went with them, we played, our team played with them, we distributed toiletries. But एक जो टेक अवे मैं लेके आया हूँ वहाँ से, उनका हैप्पीनेस, और वो इतने छोटे बच्चे हैं कि वो खुद बता नहीं सकते, बट वी कैन ऑब्जर्व फ्रॉम देयर आईज. वो इमोशन, वो फीलिंग्स जो हम लेके आए हैं, वो शायद मैं वर्ड्स में ना बता पाऊँ, बट इट रेजोनेट विथ मी एज वेल, और शायद हमारी टीम के पास भी वो है. एंड टू मूव फर्दर, हमने एक विवेकानंद आश्रम में विजिट किया था और वहाँ पे फूड डोनेट किया था, फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया था. आई वोंट से कि डोनेट किया था, कंट्रीब्यूट किया था, बिकॉज इट्स आवर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, नॉट एन एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस. इट्स आवर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कंट्रीब्यूट टू द सोसाइटी. एंड सेकेंडली हमने वो विजिट किया था, तो वी सॉ ऑब्जर्वेशन. की ऑब्जर्वेशन दैट आई सॉ इन दोज चिल्ड्रन इज डिसिप्लिन थे, काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन थे. एंड उनके डिसिप्लिन देख के मतलब विष्णु सर एंड आई वाज शॉक्ड कि उतने कैसे डिसिप्लिन हो सकते हैं, इवन दो दे नॉट हैव दोस रिसोर्सेज दैट वी हैव. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रिसोर्सेज नहीं, सॉरी, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दोस डिसिप्लिन्स. सेकेंड, डिसिप्लिन तो था ही, वैल्यूज. एक खाते मतलब उन्होंने व्हेन वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड द फूड्स, तो खाते समय एक दाना भी उन्होंने गिराया नहीं था. मतलब ये माइन्यूट डिटेल्स में लेके आया, और फिर दैट वैल्यूज, दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज रेजोनेट विथ मी. ठीक है. एंड लास्टली ट्री प्लांटेशन. तो आई स्टार्ट की व्हेन आई वाज 4 to 5 years. तो हमारा एक घर था, मड का घर था, मड हाउस, ब्रिक्स के घर नहीं थे हमारे. तो वहाँ पे एक मतलब बेसिकली बीच में एक नीम का पेड़ था. नीम का पेड़ वॉज मतलब मेरे बॉर्न होने से पहले भी बहुत पुराना था, एंड वो बहुत बिग था. तो व्हेन आई क्लोज माय आईज एंड ट्राई टू रेजोनेट विथ नेचर, तो मुझे वो नीम का पेड़ याद आता है. वहाँ पे हम क्या बोलते हैं, झूला खेलते थे, स्विंग्स, और वहाँ पे स्टम्प भी होता था हमारा क्रिकेट खेलते समय. तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो है वो मुझे अभी भी याद है, ऑल्दो वो पेड़ हमने काट के वहाँ पे घर बना दिया अपना, बंगलो पे. बट द पॉइंट हियर इज कि वो एक पेड़ से जो मेरी इमोशंस हैं, और जब भी मैं वो नेचर के बारे में, प्लांट्स के बारे में, ट्रीज के बारे में सोचता हूँ, तो मुझे वो नीम का पेड़ याद आता है. तो थैंक यू ATMS कि यू मेड मी थिंक, मेड मी रियलाइज, मेड मी फील दोस नीम का झाड़. मेरे बचपन की यादें दिलाने के लिए थैंक यू ATMS. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you Vivek, thank you for your insight. Post that शॉर्ट में मैं अपने फीलिंग्स के बारे में थोड़ा शॉर्ट में बता देता हूँ कि मुझे कैसा लगा. जैसे ग्रैटिट्यूड डे था ना, कि थैंक यू बोलना है. ज़रूरी नहीं अपने पीयर्स, अपने कॉलेज, अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली से उनको ही बोलना है. छोटे से छोटा चीज़, अगर तुम किसी से सामान भी लेते हो, एक छोटा थैंक यू भी बोलोगे तो भी चल जाएगा, पैसा नहीं लेगी कोई. तो वो छोटे से छोटा चीज़ भी बहुत मैटर करता है. तुम रिक्शा से आ रहे हो, तुमने चेंज नहीं दिया, तुमको बोला ठीक है सर 2 रुपये रख दो, थैंक यू भी ज़रूरी है। तो छोटे छोटे मोमेंट्स भी मैटर करते हैं। सो मुझे लग रहा है कि ना कि सिर्फ गुड डीड वीक बेसिकली इसीलिए था कि आपको रियलाइज करे कि ये चीज़ भी तुम्हारे अंदर है एंड तुम कर सकते हो। सिर्फ उस दिन नहीं करना, वो चीज़ तुम कर सकते हो, बस तुम्हें पता नहीं था या रियलाइज नहीं हुई कि अच्छा ये भी करना है, अच्छा थैंक यू भी बोलना है, अच्छा यार दोस्त को भी कॉल करके बताना है कि यार भाई याद है कि नहीं कि भूल गया। सो ये बस मैं रियलाइज कराने के लिए था, कुछ इनका मोटिव नहीं था अलग से कि इन्हें बेनिफिट मिल रहा है या फिर तुम्हें कुछ अलग से इसके कुछ अलग से बेनिफिट्स नहीं मिल रहे, बस तुम्हें रियलाइज कराने के लिए था कि ऐसा भी तुम कर सकते हो अपने लाइफ में। एंड दिस इज समथिंग which has to be a part of your life, contributing to not just an NGO but a small beggar with food is a good deed. एक वड़ा पाव दे दिया तुमने तो भी वो गुड डीड हो गया, राइट? So something you do on your day-to-day basis is good deed. So that is something I want you to keep in your mind कि good deed करते रहो यार, अच्छा लगता है हमें भी सामने वालों को भी। So thank you everyone, thank you ETMS for again realizing me, making me realize यार ये भी करना जरूरी है। I would like to call upon Shefali ma'am to give her views on it and we can move forward. Yeah, thank you ma'am. Over to you.
Thank you, Aman. So before we go ahead, before we close, there are a few people I need to thank. Aman, please come over and please express our gratitude to them. Firstly, Bhavita ma'am, उनके बिना तो ये पॉसिबल नहीं होता। Like Vikas sir had said कि पहले Pinky थी and everything used to happen and now we have Bhavita to take over all our tensions and all our pressures. Big round of applause for her. Then Swapnali, please come over. Sumit. Thank you Sumit for doing a lot of running around for us. So Sumit has been really important in a way that there is one of the most important deeds of Good Deed Week which is not yet complete. And that is the Arna Foundation washroom. So every 3 days Sumit has been told to go and see how the work is happening, coordinate with the contractor and let us know where things are getting stuck. And I think almost every day he's going there for some reason or the other. The work is going on beautifully. It is taking time. We had really hoped that we could do the inauguration during this week, but never mind. Maybe next week or somewhere we plan to do the openings. Yes, so Meet, please come over. He's been taking care of this, all the social media, coordinating with Mad Minds for our photos and videos and all the coverage over social media. Yes, Gulab sir, thank you for the YouTube live coverage and all the recordings. Not forgetting, so there might be some names that I am not taking right now, but I really want to thank all of you who have contributed. Dipesh, Amrut, Santosh, everybody has been a part of Good Deed Week, and without them, I don't think the smooth running of Good Deed Week would have been possible. So big round of applause for them. Sarita, please give them the chocolates later on. Yes. Yes, so going further, no event can be a success without participation. And I'm so glad to see so much of participation, so much of ideas, new ideas coming up during this week. As Gaurav mentioned, this was the best Good Deed Week ever. In the last 7 years, even I felt that every year is a better Good Deed Week, and this was the best so far. So thank you all of you for making it the best Good Deed Week in the last 7 years. We also had somebody, I think Gaurav, mentioning that we need to count our blessings, which is so true. During the week when we went to the different NGOs, we realized that we are blessed. We have so many things that they don't have, and we still complain of those things that we don't have. So probably now is the time to reflect back upon our blessings and continue to give back to the society, whatever we can. And not the first step is not cribbing about what we don't have. Okay. Yes. So thank you, Abhishek, for the wonderful lines. Where is Abhishek? Yes, they were beautiful. They were all from the heart. All the sharings that happened here were from their heart. Nobody was forced at gunpoint कि तुमको सब अच्छा ही बोलना है. No, we didn't do that. It was their experience that they shared. It was their happiness that they shared for you, with you, and thank you each one of you who have come here, shown that courage to come here and express your happiness. And thank you all partners for your efforts, because it's a team effort. No one person can manage any event. So every partner had taken up their responsibility, their duties, and they were constantly there. So one or two teams we might have not mentioned here, but one video I remember seeing was, I think it was the GST team who had distributed chocolates in the parking lot. So that was a beautiful gesture. We could see the happiness and the smile on the other person's face. I'm sure the other office people must be surprised, कि ये क्या हो रहा है? What is this happening? And it was beautiful. Then Rajesh sir's team went to some NGO. There are a lot of teams who have not been mentioned here, but a big thank you to all of you, because all these efforts, the more you participated, the more smiles we could spread across the world. And then we have, yes, we have chocolates for everybody. So they might not come in today. They are ready. They are coming today. So within this office, we will distribute right away, and everyone else in EnviroCare and other offices will get it from their managers. So this is a small gesture of appreciation from us, from ATMS, and thank you for your participation. And we have a small video, a small glimpse of the whole week. This was so beautiful. I literally have goosebumps. This was beautiful, and this was beautiful because you guys participated. We saw the smile on the last small child holding that gulab jamun. That was priceless. Deepak sir wants to share.
Yes. So last couple of minutes, not more than that from my side. So अभी काफी लोगों ने यहाँ पे आके बात किया कि हमने ये हफ्ते में क्या क्या what we have done in good deed weeks in detail. So मैं मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस शेयर कर देता हूँ कि ऐसे ही कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने ऐसा काम किया था. And I would just like to inform you or tell you, message you that you carry these two in your life as a daily activity, not as a just good deed week or just for 1 week. I just have an example of submarine. You all know submarine. How does it work, right? Submarine works under the water without any noise or without any, anyone knows about where it is. But when it requires to work, it comes out. It doesn't work. So like that, I also believe we are not required to make a noise about this. Every day we can just do the things what we feel good, just getting it right, and we need to make a life of one person impact. That is very important. If you can give this gesture or this whatever this to one person, and if that person is also doing a good deed for other person, then the entire chain of people will be there, and we can reach out to more people. That is why the submarine comes out and it doesn't noise. So that is what we do this activity as for 1 week, just to ensure that we can reach to the maximum people. We can, even if we can inspire one people for this thing, they can inspire many lot of people. So that is what I believe we need to do our work like submarine throughout the year, without knowing our second hand also that we have did the thing, but we need to ensure that we reach to the more people. We need to do the things when it is required. Yes, that is what from my side. Thank you.
What a wonderful example Deepak sir has given of the submarine. Come up, do your work, come down. That's how you lead your life. That is how you do goodness. Don't expect anything in return. Just keep doing good deeds. So before I call upon Harshit to close, there are only 2 lines that let's together continue this generosity. Let's together keep doing the good deeds, and let's together make this world a happy place to live in. Thank you.
So thank you so much Shefali ma'am for this last moment opportunity given by Shefali ma'am. उन्होंने बोला कि यार एक तो good deed closing के उस पे speech बंद है, and very much, and I know all of us are here gathered here for closing the good deed week, and I am very much proud and I am very much full with gratitude for everyone who sir has participated in this week, whole week. We started our good deed week with a great smile, with a smile day, and ended our good deed week again with a great smile. We went through a lot of projects. We as a community, we as a group, we as a ATMS family participated very enthusiastically, and we also showed how much we are eager to serve our society, serve our country for the better life. So that's why I want everyone seated over here to please raise a huge applause for each and one of you. Please. Thank you so much for everyone. And I would also like to thank this ATMS organization, all the reporting partners, all the partners of the ATMS for organizing this beautiful event since I don't know 7 years, or when they have been organizing it. Every year they have been organizing it very successfully. So huge round of applause for them also. So as we are closing these chapters, we should not forget that the spirit of good deed week which we have soaked in our heart, that should always continue in our life. So together, if we have made the impact, so together we are going to make the impact in the future life also, to make this world a better life. Thank you so much for everyone. So now we are officially closing our good deed week, but not closing कि हम लोग अच्छे काम करते रहेंगे, वो तो करना ही है, but officially good deed week is closed. Thank you so much for everyone.
We would like to hear from each one of you. You can either share on your on the ATMS internal group, or you can send me a personal message. But just share how it was for you, what you feel, whatever comes to your mind, just share. Yes. So please share everything you have to say, you write, whatever you're feeling. Either DM it to me or put it on the ATMS internal group, but each one of you, please do it. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
बाकी अपना कुछ है
अपना वही रिजल्ट 2 पॉइंट डिस्कस करना।